You will get to know the 20 ultimate rules of money. If you follow these, you will become rich. Watch this video till the end to know all the rules. Now let's begin. Number 1. Steer clear of credit card debt at all costs. The primary principle of personal finance is to avoid carrying a credit card balance at all costs. The current borrowing rates on credit cards are excessively high, and incurring these rates can significantly detract from your overall net worth. Carrying credit card debt over an extended duration indicates that you should prioritize financial readiness before considering investments in the markets. Number 2. Establishing credit is essential. The most significant financial burden you will encounter throughout your life is likely to be the interest accrued on your mortgage, auto loans, and student loans. A strong credit score can significantly reduce your borrowing costs, potentially saving you tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Please subscribe to our channel as it helps us to make more amazing financial videos for you all. Number 3. Revenue does not equate to reserves. There is a significant distinction between generating substantial income and achieving true wealth, as your net worth holds greater importance than the amount of money you earn. A substantial income does not inherently equate to wealth. Conversely, a modest income does not necessarily imply poverty. The key focus should be on the portion of your income that you allocate for savings rather than the amount you expend. Number 4. Prioritizing savings is crucial over investing. Prioritizing your own financial well-being is straightforward guidance, yet it remains underutilized by many. Establishing a high savings rate is the most strategic investment decision you can make, as it provides a significant margin of safety in life. While external factors such as interest rates, stock market fluctuations, and economic downturns are beyond your influence, you have the power to manage your savings rate effectively. Number 5. Prioritize living below your means rather than merely existing within them. Operating within or above your financial capacity leads to a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, hindering genuine wealth accumulation. To achieve success, it is essential to maintain a lifestyle that allows for savings and to allocate a portion of your earnings towards future investments. Number 6. To gain insight into your priorities, examine your monthly expenditures. It is essential to analyze your spending habits to achieve mastery over your financial situation. The objective is to allocate resources towards what truly matters while minimizing expenditures in other areas. By prioritizing your own financial well-being, you eliminate the need for strict budgeting. You can confidently allocate your resources to what genuinely matters to you with the remaining funds. Number 7. Streamline all processes through automation. Automating your financial processes is the most effective strategy to enhance savings, eliminate late fees, and streamline your life. The objective is to establish key decisions early on, allowing for a more efficient allocation of time and resources towards financial management. Number 8. Ensure the major investments are executed effectively. I recognize that I may come off as critical, but when I observe 50-70K SUVs on the road or large McMansions, my immediate thought is, I wonder how much they have set aside for retirement. While discussions around small expenses like lattes can be engaging, the critical focus for maintaining financial stability should be on the significant investments, housing, and transportation. Exceeding your limits on these two acquisitions can be detrimental, as they entail fixed costs and additional expenses that often go unnoticed by many. Number 9. Enhance your liquid savings account. It is essential to ensure that your monthly budget accommodates infrequent but foreseeable expenses that will arise from time to time. Weddings, vacations, car repairs, and health scares are unpredictable events. However, by allocating small amounts of money each month, you can strategically prepare for these occurrences and ensure you are ready when life presents its challenges. Number 10. Address your insurable requirements. Jonathan Novi, a valued colleague, often emphasizes that individuals invest in insurance due to the potential financial repercussions on their business or family in the event of death or disability. The objective is to quantify that impact in financial terms and, if feasible, to mitigate the risk associated with it. Number 11. Consistently secure the alignment. It's astonishing how often I encounter individuals who are not maximizing their contributions to their 401k plans to secure the employer match. That's akin to forfeiting a segment of your earnings with each salary disbursement. It is essential to ensure that you are saving enough to secure the match, as this prevents the loss of valuable resources that could benefit your financial strategy. Number 12. Increase your savings incrementally each year. To enhance your financial growth, it is essential to elevate your savings rate with each salary increase, ensuring that the additional income goes unnoticed in your spending habits. Initiating your savings strategy promptly ensures that you won't find yourself in a position where funds never reach your checking account for expenditure. Number 13. Select your associates, community, and partner with careful consideration. Engaging in a competition to match the extravagant lifestyles of friends or neighbors is an exercise in futility, yielding no real benefits. Surround yourself with individuals who share your financial perspectives. This alignment will significantly reduce stress, envy, and unnecessary expenditures. Number 14. Increase discussions around financial matters regularly. In nearly every discussion I engage in, politics emerges within the first 5 minutes. Yet, the topic of money remains shrouded in silence. Engage in a discussion with your spouse regarding financial matters. Seek assistance from others. Address financial issues promptly to prevent them from escalating. Financial matters influence nearly every facet of your existence in various ways. This matter demands our attention and cannot be overlooked. Number 15. Acquiring material goods will not lead to lasting happiness. Acquiring material possessions does not equate to increased happiness or true wealth. Rather, genuine wealth is defined by the resources you conserve and the financial decisions you make wisely. Investing in experiences yields significant returns, and dedicating time to those you cherish is among the most valuable commitments you can undertake. Number 16. Consider engaging with a book or perhaps 10. Numerous personal finance books exist in the market. This knowledge is essential and should be integrated into every high school and college curriculum, yet it remains absent. You are the foremost authority on your financial decisions. Allocate resources, financial, temporal, and energetic, toward your personal development. This represents the most strategic investment opportunity available. Number 17. Understand your position. It is essential for everyone to possess a clear understanding of their actual net worth. This involves aggregating all assets and deducting any liabilities. This approach allows you to establish clear expectations regarding savings rates, market returns, and portfolio growth, providing you with defined benchmarks for future performance. Number 18. Taxes are a critical consideration. Maximize your tax benefits and maintain a clear understanding of your personal tax circumstances. Maximizing opportunities in this area involves leveraging all available tax-deferred savings options and minimizing trading activity in taxable accounts to mitigate exposure to elevated short-term capital gains taxes. Number 19. Increase revenue. Implementing savings and cost-cutting measures is a commendable approach to gaining an advantage. However, it remains an insufficient strategy unless you are also focused on increasing your income through career advancement. Many individuals remain trapped in the belief that they lack the ability to secure better job opportunities, embrace greater responsibilities, or achieve higher compensation. This is unacceptable. It is essential to master the art of self-promotion, continuously enhance your skill set, and strategically negotiate for increased compensation as you progress in your career. Number 20. Focus on achieving financial independence rather than contemplating retirement. The objective should not center on reaching a specific age to enjoy a leisurely retirement, but instead focus on achieving a state where financial concerns are no longer a burden. Retirement is a dynamic concept, and the feelings associated with it remain uncertain until one reaches that stage. Achieving financial independence empowers you to dictate how you allocate your time according to your own priorities. Do subscribe to our channel and also press the like button if you have not done it yet.